make sure that as an IT service provider, you show up across multiple key markets? Today, I want to share one of my favorite case studies with you. This was the work we did for an IT service and training partner that offers Palo Alto Network trainings across the US, APAC, Middle East, and other key global markets. Now, the challenge was simple. They wanted to show up when people search for Palo Alto training in their particular region. Of course, we could not stop at just creating one page because chances are that page would rank in one market, but what are the chances that it would rank in all the markets that they're catering to? So, what do you do? Here, we thought a programmatic SEO approach would be the best one to go with, and that's what we did. We created 70 plus pages across different regions, which included 48 US pages and 23 pages across major global markets like Australia, India, and Middle East. Now, each page was optimized for its specific geography. There was no cookie cutter approach. While we did do a templated approach, we did not go ahead and just mass produce pages. It was a or each of the page was curated with care. For example, the content for Dubai's page was very different from the content that was within Kolkata's page. Then same thing for Sydney. If there was a page for Sydney and there was another page for Perth, both were very different from each other. Each one localized for the particular geography, for the particular region. And this strategy really helped us. How did it help? Let me show you. So, when we did this within a month, six US states for six US states, we were ranking at number one position on Google. In fact, we were having first page visibility across 33 locations globally. This included 19 US states. And this ranking placed data cipher services directly in front of IT professionals who were looking for specialized training across the location. But this is not where it stopped. So this is my favorite part. My favorite part was this particular initiative. It brought in a lead from a UK based company that had 60,000 employees, and they were looking for getting training, and they asked for indicative pricing. So yeah, that is one of the beauties of the case study. Of course, this pages went in and brought in a lot more leads, and this was just a glimpse of everything we achieved just with this one. The client was happy. We were happy, of course, and I think that's just one thing that it centers on how we approach programmatic SEO. For us, programmatic SEO is not about mass producing pages. It's about adding the right context and content so that your business or offering shows up at the right place to the people who are looking for that particular service. And in an era where visibility matters so much, this is a big win.